Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
Teacher Michael, and today's video is all about how you can make your very own microphone. So if you're ready, let's get into it. The supplies that you need are pretty straightforward. You need a tennis ball, some black electrical tape, an X-Acto knife, and some duct tape. The other thing you need, which I don't happen to have at the moment, is a plastic tube to make the handle of the microphone. You can find this in the plumbing section of your local hardware store, and that's where I have to go before I build anything. So I'll be back in a minute with all of the supplies, and then we'll get started. All right, I got what I needed at Canadian Tire. It was just called a flanged tailpiece, 8 inches long. That'll do the trick. Let's get back home. All right, I'm back. I got the piece that I needed. Let's get into it. Let's start building this thing. And it doesn't require a lot of explanation, so most of this is just gonna be me building it. And the first thing that we need to do after this, we need to cut a hole in the tennis ball. Please be careful doing this. So that's kind of what it looks like. You may need to rip it open a little bit more to fit perfect. Now, this next step is not mandatory, but because I like to juggle my microphone, I wanted to add some weight to the microphone. So what I did the first time around, I just took an old t-shirt that was gonna go to donation anyway, cut a bunch of strips out of it, and then stuffed the microphone full of an old t-shirt just so it has a bit more weight. That feels pretty good. Next step is to secure the tennis ball to the pipe and then cover the tennis ball. And there we go, it's starting to come together. Now, I'm gonna cover the whole body in black electrical tape. There we go. Now I'm gonna close off the bottom. So the bottom of this one is a little bit different. Here I just added a little piece of t-shirt that has a knot right here. And then I took the cap of a rice wine vinegar bottle and fed the t-shirt through that hole, like only so that I could swing it like that. Totally unnecessary, but if you want to do that, go ahead and do it. And then I'm just gonna add a little silver piece on the bottom. You know, this thing is so versatile, and part of the reason that I like it is because you can throw it and drop it as many times as you want, it's not gonna break. The other reason that I like this microphone is that it helps me in the classroom so much. When it's my turn to talk, I use the microphone and point it towards myself. When it's time for my student to talk, I point it towards them. So it's really good at clarifying when it's my turn to speak and when it's their turn to speak. For those of you who have not watched my puppet video, my hand puppet video that I released a couple weeks ago, I would encourage you to do that. But one thing that I left out of that video was using your puppet to hold the microphone for you. I love doing this in the class. Anytime I'm singing the introduction song or anything like that, I get Mike or Meg to hold the microphone for me. And there you have it, folks. That is how you can make your very own microphone at home. And honestly, the supplies for this, it only costs like $5 or $6. You're not gonna break the bank making something like this. And honestly, I use this every single day in my classroom. That's why I made a permanent home for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this from me. And until next time, I will see you on the internet. Peace. If you end up making this microphone, I would love to see it. So please come find me on Instagram and post a photo of you with your microphone and tag me in it. My handle is @teacher__Michael. I would love to see it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.